Wanna buy a new phone?
Yes bro, what's up?
Wanna buy it for the lowest price possible?
I understand where this is going. I know where this is going. He's talking about the new... during the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale or any other major sale, people will be going crazy for the deals. Like it's some Hunger Games. But guess what? Flipkart has launched its secret weapon called the Lowest Price Lock. Here is how it works. Let's say you see a deal on a new phone that you're looking to buy. Instead of biting your nails at the sale time, now you can pay a small token amount of $9.99. And Flipkart is assuring that you'll get the phone for the lowest price possible. Seems like an awesome feature, right? But there's a catch. Let us discuss in detail, but first let me explain how it works. After paying the token amount, you will be able to see the product in My Orders page, and when the sale goes live, you will be able to pay the rest of the amount and check out. There are a few things that you have to keep in mind before paying the token amount. Firstly, the color and the storage variant of the phone that you're buying. Remember when I said there's a catch? Seems like an awesome feature, right? But there's a catch because that token amount is non-refundable no matter what. Usually when you order something on Flipkart, you will be able to change the address even after placing the order if the logistic partner is accepting. But in this case, if you pay the token amount, you will not be able to change the address no matter what. If you are looking to exchange your old phone in this sale, I'm sorry, this feature is not for you. Because Flipkart has clearly mentioned in their terms and conditions that once you opt for this token amount, you will not be able to exchange your phone. I know you missed this point in the terms and conditions, and that's the whole point of making this video. That's why please consider subscribing. As I said, exchange is not available, and also buy more save more feature is also not applicable once you opt in for this feature. But the bright side is you'll be able to use all the applicable bank cards. Coming to the refund policies, this token amount is non-refundable. If you pay the token amount and choose not to order, then the token amount is not refundable. If you pay rest of the amount and order something and then cancel it, the rest of the amount is refundable. And the token amount, non-refundable. There's only one scenario where you can get your money back, that is when Flipkart cancels the order from its end. This feature was initially introduced in 2023 but did not work for many of the customers. Then again they had to go on to Twitter and talk to customer care to get their money back. And if you're planning to buy an iPhone or any flagship from Samsung or Google, then this might be an advantage for you with a small risk. In case if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe because I'll be making some cool videos about the offers, price reveals and the deals in the sales coming soon. And also, comment on your thoughts on this price lock feature, like and share it to your friends and family. I'll see you in the next one. See you.